Jumbbo the elephant, big and gray, loves to laugh, loves to play, with a long trunk swinging wide, ready for a jungle ride. Splashes water with great big spray, cooling off on sunny day. With his trunk he plays a tune, dancing under jungle moon. Jumbo's joy is pure and bright, he brings the jungle pure delight. From dawn till dusk he's full of cheer, great big friend we all hold dear. He stumps with feet so big and strong, in the mud he sings his song. Squish and squash, what a sight, Jumbo's fun both day and night. He munches leaves from tallest trees, reaching up with ease and breeze. Nibbles greens, no need to haste, loves the jungle and its taste. Jumbo's joy is pure and bright, he brings the jungle